I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fly Voyage Aeronautics drones. First, always confirm your drone's battery is fully charged. This ensures maximum flight duration. Next, calibrate the compass on a level surface to maintain stable flight. Familiarize yourself with the controller's layout and the basic stick movements for throttle, yaw, pitch, and roll. Practice these controls in a safe, open area to build confidence. Before takeoff, conduct a thorough visual inspection of your drone, checking for any propeller damage or loose components. If your model uses a companion app, ensure your mobile device is securely connected to the drone's Wi-Fi. When ready, slowly and steadily increase the throttle. The drone should lift off smoothly, ascending to a stable hover at about 3 to 5 feet. Once airborne, practice basic maneuvers. Use the right stick to move forward, backward, and side to side. The left stick controls yaw, allowing you to rotate the drone left or right. When landing, slowly decrease the throttle, bringing the drone down gently. Aim for a soft, controlled descent onto a flat surface, ensuring a safe conclusion to your flight. For more advanced flying, consider practicing figure eights and precise hovering. Always fly in open, unobstructed areas and be mindful of wind conditions, especially with lighter drones. Continuously monitor your drone's battery level to ensure you have ample time for a safe return and landing. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.